Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the F200D. If you are looking for an affordable 2-channel dash camera, the F200D is your solution. The F200D is a bundle that includes the rear camera in the box. This bundle will be exclusively available at Best Buy US and Amazon.com. Let's get to the unboxing. In the box includes the F200 main unit, micro SD card with the SD card reader, F200 rear camera, the rear camera cable, cigarette lighter power cable, cable clips, black 3M adhesive mount, and the quick start guide and warranty information. Thanks for watching our videos. For more unboxings, tutorials, and information, please subscribe below.